And this one, so cute. Oh my goodness.
It's a for
I
Chanel
can't.
for Paris.
It's for baby sister.
It's this one for me.
Yeah. Hmm?
It's it for me?
Yeah, it's for you.
Wow, it's so cute.
Okay.
I'll touch.
Touch? Do you like the touch?
Yeah, it's so soft.
So soft. Yeah, that's right. Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back.
I know.
It is Sunday and it's currently 3 o'clock ng hapon guys. I'm using my phone kaya iba yung ating quality. Ang ating camera ay dead ang kanyang battery at hindi ko mahanap-hanap yung extra battery guys. Kaya anyways, so nandito tayo ngayon sa sasakyan. We are on our way to shops. Hi Daddy. Hello. Tingnan yung binili ni Daddy kahapon no, sa Queen Victoria Market.
Yeah.
But this time, pupunta tayo ng op shop guys. So, ukay-ukay because alam nyo na, have a look. So, our baby girl is due soon and napag-usapan namin ni Daddy Mike, hindi pa pala kami nakapag-ready ng mga gamit talaga. So, we bought a few stuff, yung mga damit, ganon. Pero I feel like kulang talaga yung mga, alam niyo yung mga maliliit talaga, yung pang newborn talaga. So I really like going to this op shop in Warrigal Road kasi yung mga paninda nila is sobrang mga bago pa talaga. And also obviously it's cheap kasi op shop, diba? So I'll take you with me, with us. Ayan. And luckily, mag-close sila ng 6 o'clock. It's 3 o'clock. So meron pa tayong oras para pumunta doon. Oh my God, ang ating baby girl ay sobrang likot guys. Grabe. Naririnig siguro niya na bibilhan siya ng damit. Are you ready, Paris? You're gonna get clothes for baby sister?
And me.
And you too? Hindi din magpapahuli si ate, oy. Say bye-bye, see you later.
Bye-bye, see you later.
Flankies. Ang ating baby girl ay nakatulog sa car. Diyan kami pupunta. Savers, the recycle store. Sobrang lucky. Sobrang lucky. Magpapaiwan na lang sana sa Daddy Mike sa sasakyan. Kaso gumising yung ating baby girl. Kaya sama na lang sila sa anak! Paris! Paris! Did you have a nap in the car? Yeah. Honey, careful na ka! Oh, wait. Tingnan niyo guys, nakabitbit na si Daddy Mike. Isang malaking bag. Nabudol si Daddy Mike guys. Pagdating sa cashier, sabi ko yung pay. Show me your toys, babe. Show me your toy. What is that?
Easter eggs.
Easter eggs?
Easter eggs.
Wow, are you happy? Careful, anak. Careful here, anak. Just not the cars.
Mommy, when you go inside? Mommy, go in the car.
It's done a mischief at Daddy today. On the side.
Okay, go inside now.
Mama can put you in.
A few moments later.
Magma-McDonald's muna ang family. I-stop muna kami kasi gutom na guys. Hindi pa siya nagsi 6 o'clock ha, pero sobrang dilim na.
Let's go, Mommy.
Yeah, let's go. Let's go, Paris. McDonald's it is.
Like this one.
Ang tagal na namin hindi nakapag-dine in dito guys. Normally kasi take away. Cool.
Reckon Chandler was out. Or he was like, good right.
Okay. We'll go order na. Careful, Mama. Careful your head.
I want it.
Yeah, we have to order. Come. Order.
They're all like, he was hitting all of them.
That was the big one.
You gotta watch out. 'Cause
Big
if
one.
I might come out and then I'm in the face. Be careful.
Hi guys! Time check tayo. It is now 8:50 ng gabi. Stay, move here na so tita and tita can see you. Say hi guys.
Hi guys.
Hi guys, gabing-gabi may nag-ice cream oh. Ngayon lang ulit tayo nakapag-vlog kasi after namin pumunta doon sa op shop guys, we dropped Daddy Mike at the gym and then pagka-uwi namin dito, naglinis-linis and then nagluto ng dinner. Move here, anak. They can't see you. Here. Here you guys, better?
Yeah, they were too cold.
Oh, it's too cold. Grabe, sobrang ginaw pero tingnan nyo oh. Alam nga naman hindi katugnaw-nak nga nagkaon mag-ice cream. Anyways, guys, pakita ko lang sa inyo yung mga napamili natin from the op shop. Siguradong malulula kayo sa ating mga napamili, guys. Sobrang dami ng ating napamili. Actually, this was worth mga around 8,000 pesos na ukay-ukay, guys. Grabe. Grabe na talaga. Ito yung mga napamili ko for Paris and for baby sister.
Sister Shelly.
Yeah. So, the first one, in no particular order, guys. Papakita ko lang sa inyo kung ano yung nakaibabaw. So, first one is this short.
Celine.
This is yours.
What, me?
Yeah.
What color? What's the color?
I think this is mint green.
Green.
Yeah.
Like green.
Yes. See, this was for $2. Ayan. And then, the next one, here, ano na natin ang mga papel niya. So we can wash. Have a look. It's for baby sister.
Yeah.
Tingnan nyo guys. Sobrang liit. Newborn talaga. It's for $2. Ayan.
Mommy.
Yeah, just put it there, anak. Mama will take it, okay? And then, bilisan lang natin guys para madali. Kasi sobrang dami nito. Next one is these pants. Hopefully makikita
It's
nyo.
Celine's.
Yeah.
It's Celine's, mommy.
Yep.
Too small to me.
Ayan. That's too small for you.
That's for Celine.
And this one, ayan, for baby number 2. This one was for $2 as well, guys. Pink siya.
Mommy, that's too big for Celine.
No, this is, yeah, for baby sister because this is too small for you.
This is small for me.
Yeah. Next one is this. Ayan. So, another for the baby. For baby sister, this one. This one is for $150, guys. $150. Ayan. And then, next one is this one. This is for baby Paris. Singlet lang siya pang ilalim kasi nga, di ba, winter na and kailangan na siyang may pang ilalim. Got this one for 50 cents. Ayan. Ayush! Happy na naka-ice cream. And then, this one. Oh my God. So cute, di ba? I hope makita nyo yung mga ano niya guys, mga print niya. So, para siyang maliliit na polka dots. This is for, ano na siya, pag 6 months. Meron siyang
My dad too big for
ribbon.
Celine. My dad too big for Celine.
Yeah. No, this is for baby sister because
It's
too small. Yeah. I got this one for $5.50. Ayan. Sobrang ganda ng kulay niya. Very girly. Next one is for baby Paris.
Nah, for me.
Yeah, it's for you. See? Singlet ulit. $2.50. Dito. Next one is, oh, ito maganda. Nagustuhan ko talaga to siya, guys. Got this one for $7. Ayan. Pero sobrang worth it nito. Bagong-bago. This is from the brand Bardo Jr. And sobrang mahal nito, guys, kung sa shop mo to siya bilhin. Hindi mo nakikita yung proper color talaga niya kasi it's, ano siya, fuchsia pink. Meron kasing, yung lighting, guys, hindi siya nagpapakita.
But what's the color?
What color is it?
Red.
No, this is hot pink.
Hot pink?
Yeah, this is for you.
What?
So cute, di ba? Para siyang doble, pero wala siya, guys. Single lang siya. Ayan, single lang. And then, next one is this one for baby girl number 2. Sobrang liit niya, guys. This is what we really need.
And this is for me and for Celine.
It's for baby sister, honey. Because this is tiny, see? So, this is what we really need, guys. This is 5 zeros. Up to 3 kilograms. Ito talaga yung pang newborn talaga, guys. And since yung ating baby girl ay due siya August, which is still winter. It's still very cold. So, ayan, kailangan natin ng ganito. Got this one for magkano nga yun? $4. Next one, ayan, for baby number 2 again. Newborn, sobrang liit. Ang ganda ng kulay, parang salmon yung kulay niya. Got this one for $1.79.
Mom, no one wipe.
You want a wipe? Hang on, let me just find a wipe for you. Oh, here, just wipe here. On your face. Josh. You okay? See, this one is so cute as well. Tingnan nyo. Oh my God, right? $5 nga lang to siya. Pero worth it naman to siya kasi yung brand niya is Bonds, size 000. And tingnan niyo. Meron pang packet dito. This one, another one, got this for $2. Ayan, ito talaga yung magagamit. Very handy talaga ito siya pagkalabas ng ating baby. Then this one for Paris. Ayan, malaki na for baby Paris. Big girl naman ng baby.
Is this so big?
Yeah, I got this one for $3, guys. Brand new pa siya. Tingnan nyo, meron pa siyang mga tag talaga niya. So, ito is pang winter talaga ba? Nako? Do you like this one?
Yeah.
It will make you warm. And this one, so cute. Oh my goodness.
This is for
I
Chanel
can't.
for Paris.
It's for baby sister.
It's too small for me.
Yeah. This is 00, so 3 to 6 months. Brand is Country Road. Sobrang liit, sobrang cute niya, guys. $4 nga lang, but sus, kung sa shop mo to siya bibilhin, sobrang mahal nito. Oh, di ba? Super cute. And then, swimsuit. Got this one for $2.
Is it for me or for Celine?
It's for baby sister. Tingnan niyo,
I
sobrang
want
cute.
I'm mine swimming.
Oh, you want one for swimming as well? You have one naman there.
Huh?
For baby sister doesn't have one, so that's why we got her one. Okay? You
Okay.
already have there, yeah. Then this one. This one is very cheap talaga, guys. This one.
Which one is?
Yours is in the drawer. We'll have a look at it later, okay? Sobrang cheap nito, guys. Tingnan nyo. So, pair na siya na bunny, pink, for baby Paris. Ayan. And only got this for $1.50. Oh my Lord. Sobrang cheap niya.
Is it for me?
Yeah, it's for you.
Wow, it's so cute.
So cute. Do you like it?
Uh-huh.
See? Very comfy ba? Pang tulog. This is another one for baby Paris.
Wow.
Wow, so cute. See, what is this? Milk. What's that?
I found
Rice bubbles? That's right. This is $4, this one. Pero sobrang ganda ng kanyang tela, guys. Grabe. Ang sarap itulog ng tela na to. This one, little one. Oh my God, so cute. $2 lang to siya. Oh. Super small, anak, no? You were like that when you were a baby, na.
Huh?
Another one. Ito talaga yung...
Is it for me?
This is for baby sister.
Oh.
Yeah, it's too small. Got this for $4.50. Ito talaga yung... Hinanap ko talaga, guys. Kasi ito talaga yung magagamit talaga pag labas ni baby. See, this one is the Wondersuit from Bonds. Sobrang mahal nito sa shop, guys. Grabe. Another one. Brand Mooks. $4.50. Ayan, sobrang ganda. My
Is it
heart.
for me or for...
Baby sister! You share with baby sister, okay? Good girl. Another one, so cute. May ribbon siya sa harap. $3 lang siya. Ayan. Another one. This one, sobrang liit. $4.50 to siya. Ayan. Oh, love. So cute.
Yeah?
Then, another one. $3.50. Mga pang newborn. Sobrang liit. Tingnan nyo, oh. Isang anuhan lang ng kamay, oh. So cute. And then si Daddy Mike ang nagpili ito ng isa. Asa na ba yung Paris nito, nak? Mamaya na hanapin ng Paris. Tingnan nyo. Shoes! Uy! Shoes!
So silly.
Yeah, sobrang liit. Oh, sobrang ganda. Next one is this one. Ito ay pang
Ano ba?
winter tala. Baby sister, anak. It's $5, guys. Tingnan nyo, oh, may ano pa siya, may tag pa siya. So, originally, $25 siya. Binayad natin ay $5 lang. Let's go lang. Tingnan nyo, oh, diba? Mickey Mouse! Wow! I think Daddy is here now, no? Someone's knocking on the door. Let's go. Open muna natin kasi si Daddy Mike nakauwi na, guys, from gym. Ayan, so cute. Nilak kasi namin yung door.
Like a fun, it's cold.
Ay, ayun, Daddy niya. Sinabihan ko pumunta dito, guys. Kakain daw muna siya kasi gutom siya. Okay, let's keep going. Let's keep going. Sit down, anak, because we have to show more. Ayan.
How nice.
Careful. Ayan. So, super cute. Another one for $3. Para man tayong nagbibenta. Pamain. Pamain na lang ito, guys.
It's for silly.
Big smiles. This is for baby sister. This is
So cool.
And then, this one, guys. Sobrang liit niya, ha. Kasi pang newborn naman talaga. But, got this one for $6. I know, normally, hindi ako nagbabayad ng $6 para sa ganito, guys. But, the brand is really good. The material is really good, guys. From Pumpkin Patch. Do you like it?
Touch.
Touch? Do you like the touch?
Yeah, it's so soft.
So soft. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, that's why Mama got this one for baby sisters, baby. So soft. And then, I got this one. Medyo malaki na to siya. I got this for $2. Whoosh! Ayan, maganda yung kulay niya. Ayan. And then this one is super cute. Oh my god. I can't talaga, guys. Pag pumupunta ako sa mga op shops na ganyan, like seriously, hindi ko talaga mapigilan yung sarili ko. Kasi, see, this one is for $2 only, right? Yellow at meron siyang mga heart na pink.
For me.
Baby sister, anak, because this is too small for you.
Oh.
Yan. And $2, guys. See? Saan ka makakakita nito ng $2? Next one, another cute one. $4.50 to siya. Sobrang ganda. Oh my lord. Nak, baby sister will look really cute on this one. Yes?
No.
There's more to go. Ayan. $4 this one.
It's for me or for Celine?
It's baby sister, honey. Ayan. And then, for newborn, got this $3. Sobrang liit. Yan lang. This one's so cute. Lahat naman cute, guys. Oy, hindi ako makapagpili. $2 lang siya. Yan, merong giraffe sa harapan. Careful. Oh, you have to wipe your hands first now. Here. Wipe it here. This one is a bit expensive. $6 to siya. Pero, sobrang nakita na ako sa kulay niya. At sa print niya. Ayan. Another one. $2.50. From H&M originally. Medyo malaki na siya, guys. Sa mga ano na to siya masusuot. Mga 9 to 12 months. 9 to 12 months. Okay, another one. $2.50 din siya. And it says, hi.
Mommy, you.
Rudy. Oh, yeah. And then, yung naiwan dito ay dalawa for Daddy Mike, guys. Dalawa na lang. Ito yung binili niya. Oh. This one's for $3. And then, the other one is for $4. Plain black shirt lang. Ay, meron pala akong binili for myself. Nagpili din ako, guys. 3 yung for me. Kasi yung mga damit ko guys, hindi na talaga. Yung t-shirt na mga malalaki, ganito, kasyang-kasya pa. Pero yung sa pang ilalim, wala nang kumakasya guys. Wow, unless yung sinusuot ko yung, ang tawag dito, yung leggings. Pero yung mga jeans, wala na talagang pag-asa. So, bili ako ng mga dress na very...
I'm singing the cow.
Oh, can you sing it? For Mama?
Bye, bye, bye. I'm gonna sing.
What's next?
Okay. Good try.
Try again?
Bye, bye, bye. Singing on now.
Good girl, honey. So, this one is for $7.50. Ayan, gray lang siya, be. Very stretchy. Ayan. I can wear this to work. Lagyan ko lang ng blazer, guys. And the brand is Pare. Pare. Asan si Mare, Pare? Ayan. Basic in size 8. Second one is from the brand Seed. Ayan. Extra small siya, pero stretchy naman siya. Got this for $16. Mas mahal talaga yung mga pang girls, guys. Pang ladies. Ayan. So this one is like, sobrang ganda ng kulay niya. Very neutral din siya.
It's for me or for me?
This is for Mama. See, it's too big. Come here, babe. Kumigo ba ni mo, babe? Oh, see, that's too big for you.
It's a ceiling.
Yeah. And the last one is from Ukay. This is size 10. And also, it's $18. Kasi ito yung pinakamahal.
For my for daddy.
For Mama. $18. Pero sobrang ganda ng kulay niya. This is one of my favorite color. Parang burnt orange na kulay. Sobrang haba din niya, guys. Perfect for winter talaga ito siya. And kasi long sleeve. Stretchy yung sa ano niya, sa tiyan niya. And also, mahaba siya.
A, B,
Ayan.
C,
Kita
D,
niyo, Ukay.
E, B, C,
Ukay, o, diba? Sobrang mahal ng brand na to, guys. And that's about it. That's yung mga napamili namin ay may dalawang laruan for Paris. Parang $5 yata yun siya. So, nabudol ko si Daddy Mike, guys, kasi nung nandun na kami sa counter, sabi ko, would you like to pay for this? Pakuan na to ako, guys, na manya-manya na to ako ba na he really paid for it, man. So, very thankful. Very grateful na, no?
I wanna watch. I wanna watch.
What would you like to watch?
I wanna watch. I wanna watch your phone.
No, Daddy, let's go, Daddy, come.
My finish.
Okay, you finished that one already. Let's go, Daddy, come on.
A few moments later.
Guys, nakarating lang natin na
Mommy, you got me sky.
He's cooking, cooking steak. Eh, nagluto pala ako ng guys, yung niluto ko for dinner is yung nilagang baka. Sobrang bilis. Hindi ko mapakita sa inyo.
Run away.
Ayan.
Run away. Run away. Run away. Come up here. Run away. Run away. Come up here. Mommy. I want the white sky.
What do you want? You want sky?
Yes, I want to go down. I want to get
Tingnan namin yung vlog dito guys kasi what time is it now? It's 9:20. Yeah, 9:20. Before natin i-end yung vlog, we'll do a quick shout out. First shout out goes to Joanne Ambe, Irene Aliperio, Teresita Abaluyan, Emelita Gonzalez, Sheila Solanoy, Elena Risoles, Los Veninda Arabia, Fe Guarnes, Mylene Franco, Carlota Pedro, Beauty S, Verslyn Pasigado, Jacqueline Gallo, Ernie Arnaiz, Shari Tamayo, Bea Havison, Helen Abierta, Paulina Kines. Guys, very noisy ang ating
Sorry.
mate. Mercedita Sanchez, Yet Balino, Melin Lorente, and Drinar May Rica Huerta. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And also make sure to hit the subscribe button. Subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good. And if you can,
Bye-bye.